Welcome to part 2 of video 11D. This video will focus on the third measure in the economy and land sector, land management. Researchers use 3 indicators for this measure: land development, linear development, and agricultural land use. As there are a number of maps for each indicator, there will be 3 videos, one for each indicator. This video will focus on linear development in the Battle River Watershed study area. A linear development is a piece of infrastructure built with the goal of connecting 2 points. Linear development describes many different structures, including roads, railways, pipelines, sewage lines, electrical lines, and telephone lines. The first map shows the linear development of railways using data from 2018. The 2014 Human Footprint Inventory, compiled by the Alberta Biodiversity Monitoring Institute, records all of the linear developments in Alberta and organizes them into 5 categories: roads, transmission lines, seismic lines, pipelines, and railways. Figure 4.6 shows the linear disturbance by type and subwatershed. There are 6 subwatersheds within the Battle River Watershed study area. The next map shows the linear development of seismic lines for the study area. Seismic lines are a type of linear development common in Alberta with its heavily developed oil and gas economy. The following map shows the linear development of transmission lines in the Battle River Watershed study area, using data from the Alberta Biodiversity Monitoring Institute and the Alberta Human Footprint Monitoring Program. The next map shows the linear development of pipelines within the BRW. Linear development is clearly an essential component of Alberta's economic and social infrastructure. However, linear developments need to be regulated for health and safety and environmental protection to ensure infrastructure is maintained or properly decommissioned if no longer in use. Figure 4.5 shows the linear development density by subwatershed for the years between 2014 to 2018. The final map shows the linear development of roads. Alberta also contains an estimated 473,000 kilometers of single-lane equivalent roads. This is almost equal to the amount of roadway in Ontario, which has twice the land mass and 3 times the population. Linear developments can be beneficial to a community. For example, an introduction of a road into a previously isolated community, or a struggling community can experience an economic boom with the introduction and construction of a new pipeline. But at the same time, linear development can have both social and environmental costs, including ecological interactions, particularly with wildlife. Reclamation of linear infrastructure can be important for protecting and restoring wildlife habitat, safeguarding human health, protecting water sources, and allowing the site either to be returned to a natural condition or making it available for other types of land use.